This is Premier Truck Sales and Rental. We've got a vast selection of refuse trucks and trailers for sale or rent, including the largest refuse rental fleet in North America with over 1,200 units. That's the premier difference. For over 40 years, we've built our reputation on honesty, integrity, and top-notch service. With nearly 500 years of combined team experience, we're here to help you find the right truck and keep it running. Conveniently located in the heart of the Midwest, we offer fast, seamless delivery nationwide. Our dedicated drivers make sure your truck arrives on time, every time. On our 35-acre campus, you'll find a 50-bay service facility, factory-trained technicians, fabricators, and welders using the latest tech. Plus, extended factory warranties give you total peace of mind. We're always innovating. In 2023, we launched the Premier Support Call Center. As our customer, one call connects you to real people who can help you with any mechanical, technical, or operational questions. We've expanded our facilities too, with a second downdraft paint booth for factory-quality, custom color-matched paint, twice as fast. We've also added a custom-built automated truck wash with a dedicated prep and detail shop, so every truck looks its best before it hits the road. And coming soon, a 28,000 square foot fabrication facility to boost production and services. At Premier, you always talk to a real person, whether you're renting a roll-off, exploring rent-to-own options, or purchasing your first truck from us. We put your needs first. Experience the Premier difference. Visit PremierTruckSales.com and follow us on social media for updates. Need a truck? Call us at 1-800-825-1255. Premier Truck Sales and Rental, your trusted partner for refuse fleet solutions.